Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Welcome back to GK online class. Children, today we can learn the next 3 lessons. First we can learn famous bridges from around the world. Okay, it is in your book page number 33. Children, what is bridge? Bridge is a structure built over a river, railroad or other obstacle that allows people to travel across. Okay. Children, can you tell me an example? Yes. Mathur Hanging Trough Bridge. You all know, isn't it? It is the tallest as well as the longest trough bridge in Asia. Okay. Now, turn page number 33 in your book. We can do some exercise. Okay. Match the pictures to the correct descriptions. First one, Rialto Bridge, Italy. This old bridge in Venice gets a mention in Shakespeare's famous play, The Merchant of Venice. So, the answer is option C. Second one, Howrah Bridge, Rabindra Setu, India in India. This landmark bridge in Kolkata is built over the river Hooghly. So, the answer is option A. Okay. Then third one, Tower Bridge, United Kingdom. This bridge in London is built over the river Thames. The answer is option B. Then fourth one, Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco. This bridge spans a channel between San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. The answer is option E. Fifth one, Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, China. This bridge holds the record for being the longest bridge in the world and runs roughly parallel to the Yangtze River. The answer is option F. Then sixth one, Mila Viaduct, France. This bridge holds the record for being the tallest vehicular bridge in the world. Answer is option D. Then children, do you know the living root bridges of Meghalaya are suspension bridges made by the Khasi people using the aerial roots of living banyan fig trees. Okay. Next we can learn area and perimeter. Children, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary, that is the distance around the edge of a shape. The word perimeter comes from the Greek word peri. It means around, and metron, it means measure. Okay. What is area? Area is the space inside the boundary. That is the amount of space inside a shape. Okay. Now turn page number 34 in your book. We can do some exercise. Okay. Choose and tick the correct answer in the questions below. First one, an area of land around a house used for growing flowers or vegetables is called a dash. Answer is garden. Second, an area of land containing all the main buildings of a school or a university is called a dash. Answer is campus. Third one, an area behind a house covered with a hard brick or stone surface is called a dash. Answer is backyard. Fourth one, a square area that is surrounded by buildings or walls is called a dash. Answer is courtyard. Fifth one, the area between your shoulder and elbow is called the dash. Answer is upper arm. Sixth one, the area of your face above your eyes is called the dash. Answer is forehead. Seventh one, a low area between hills is called a dash. Answer is valley. 8. The area around the North Pole is called the dash. Answer is Arctic. 9. The country with the largest area is dash. Answer is Russia. 10th. The ocean with the largest area is the dash. Answer is Pacific. 11th. The perimeter of a cricket ground is also called the dash. Answer is boundary. 12th. The longer perimeter edges of a hockey field are the dash. Answer is sidelines. 13. The shorter perimeter edges of a football field are dash. Answer is goal lines. A dash is a viewing instrument used on a submarine. Answer is periscope. Okay. Turn page number 35. Next lesson, water. Unscramble the letters to get the word that completes the sentences. First one, if the entire world's water were to fit into a 4-liter jug, the fresh water available for us would equal only about 1 dash. You have to unscramble the letters and write the correct word. Okay. Answer is tablespoon. 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 Second, human dash is 83% water. Answer is blood. 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 Third, the longest river in the world is the dash. Answer is Nile. 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 Fourth one, dash is the only substance that is found naturally on earth in 3 forms: solid, liquid, gas. Answer is water. 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 Fifth one, when the body loses more water than it takes in, it causes dash. Answer is dehydration. Dehydration. Sixth, dash is a water sport. Answer is surfing. 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 7. Dash is another name for a tidal wave. Answer is tsunami. 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 8th one. The deepest point in all of the world's oceans is named the dash deep. Answer is Challenger. 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 The dash ocean is the largest and deepest, while the dash ocean is the smallest and shallowest. Answer is Pacific. 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 Next dash Arctic. 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 10th one. The Great Barrier Reef is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland in dash. Australia. 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 Next, answer these questions. First one, When water freezes to become ice, does it contract or expand? Contract means decrease, expand means increase. Answer is expand. E-X-P-A-N-D. Expand. Second one. Does ice sink or float in water? Answer is float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Third. Can the average human survive without water for a few days or a few weeks? Answer is a few days. A-F-E-W few D-A-Y-S days. Fourth one. Is the Roman god of the sea Neptune or Jupiter? Answer is Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. Fifth one. What do we call a large mass of ice formed over many years that does not melt during the summer? A glacier or a hailstone? Answer is a glacier. A-G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. Next, the explorer. Explorer means traveler. Okay. The explorer Ferdinand Magellan named the Pacific Ocean. Pacific means calm, peaceful or quiet. He gave it this name because he thought it was more peaceful than the Atlantic Ocean. Magellan was the first explorer to circumnavigate or sail all the way around the earth. Circumnavigate means sail. Okay. With this, I finish today's session. We shall learn a new lesson in the next class. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.